Let's solve this problem. ABCD is a trapezoid. Angles ADC and BCD are both equal to 90 degrees. Since ABCD is a tangential quadrilateral, by the Pitot theorem, the sums of lengths of its two opposite sides are equal. The sum of AB and CD is equal to the sum of BC and AD. The link to my video with the proof of this theorem is in the description below. Since the perimeter of the trapezoid is equal to 22, AB plus CD is equal to 11. Therefore, CD is equal to 4. CD is equal to the diameter of the circle because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent line of the point of the tangency. Therefore, the radius of our circle is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe for more math problems. Thank you.